All right, time to take a look at a jump starter from one of my favorite jump starter brands. This is the GOOLOO GT Truck Pro. So I have a much smaller jump starter from GOOLOO. I use that for jumping fork trucks all the time. This is going to be the Big Daddy version. So if you need to jump something like literally a semi-truck, this is going to be the one that you want for that. You can see this is a 10,000 amp jump starter. And if we open this guy up, you got some nice simple instructions. Just connect the battery, wait for the LED to be flashing or solid on, and then start the engine. It does also have a boost function. So in the event that you're trying to jump start a vehicle where the battery is completely dead, and you can use the boost. So that is going to be this button right there. So it's going to force 12 volts onto it. And the reason that it's important is because this is going to have a lot of protections built in. So it's going to basically detect voltage on the battery, and that way you'll know that you're plugged in correctly, that you don't have the wrong polarity or anything like that. But if the battery is completely dead, it's not going to be able to read that voltage, so you're going to have to use the boost function. It is nice that it has that boost function, so you can still jump a vehicle even if it has a completely dead battery. So you just press that button for 2 seconds, the LED will turn on, then you can start the vehicle. So it has a battery capacity of 204.8 watt hours or 64,000 milliamp hours, so quite a bit of charge. Peak current 10,000 amps. Input of USB-C, power delivery 65 watts, so you can charge this guy at 65 watts. USB-A output is a 5 volt 2.4 amps. We have DC output 12 volts 10 amps. Starting current to 1,000 amps, so that's a starting current versus the peak current. Operating temperature is negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use that in very cold weather if you need to. Dimensions are 245 by 220 by 150, weight of 3,500 grams. So it does come with our charger. It has an input of 100 and 240 volts. That's good for international or domestic. And has an output of up to 65 watts depending on what you plug in. There's a 2-prong plug to USB-C, and that does come with a charging cable that has USB-C to USB-C. It does also come with a charging cable USB-C to USB-A, and so with that we'll be able to plug in right there, and then we'll be able to use this to charge our phone. So you can see it's got a very nice big handle on it, which I appreciate. So even with my huge meat hooks on here, I don't have to worry about smashing my fingers into that. We do have some rubber feet here on the bottom. We got our light here on the back, and I also appreciate that they put all the voltage ratings right there on the device itself. On the side, we do have a spot to put all of our cables, so we don't have to worry about putting those in a bag, detaching them, anything like that. Everything is going to be right here built in. Go ahead and turn it on. You can see that does come with a 75% charge. Right now it says it is normal. So if we had a problem with the battery, it would say abnormal or reverse polarity. So we would know that we would have these cables mixed up. So very nice that they have those indicators on there. We got our light. So that way if you, that's a very nice bright light for one of these little chargers. So if you need to get a good look inside the engine bay, we got that as an option. Oh, and we also have a strobe option. So if you just need to be seen, you got that as well. And we also have an SOS light. So if we connect it right now, connection. So basically right now you can see it's not going to be doing anything because it does not read that battery. If we were to hit boost now, we would definitely see a spark. So we're going to disconnect that and press and hold boost. So right there, you can see abnormal. Can't see we are flashing. Right now we could start the car if we wanted to. This has one other really cool thing. This actually has a 12 volt cigarette lighter style outlet. So if you have something like a portable compressor, but your battery is dead on the car, you can actually plug that compressor into here so that you can run that compressor and you can air up your tires. So if you find a car that has a dead battery and it has low tires, we can use this guy to make sure that you get that car up and running again. Also just handy if you're like out camping or something like that and you want to have something that can jumpstart your vehicle, and you can also use that to power up your radio, anything like that. So let's make sure that that port works. And I do like that we've got this little wire holder right here, ready for keeping everything nice and neat. There we go. And we can see that we are charging. So by unhappy coincidence, we do have a vehicle that needs jumped. Connect negative to negative. That does actually have a big enough bite. They can go all the way around that lug. So we can see it does see 12 volts. We got 3 bars of charge. There we go. That was able to get that guy going. Negative and positive. So yeah. If you're looking for a way to easily jumpstart vehicles, that is going to be an excellent way of doing it.